Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable this developer tool on the Microsoft Excel ribbon. So by default this developer tool is not here, so if you need to write any macros or any VB script or anything or custom add-ons or anything, you can't do it unless you have this developer option enabled. So what you want to first do is go to File, go to Options, go to Customized Ribbon, and now on the right hand side you should be able to see that developer is unchecked by default, and you want to check it, and you can check or uncheck any other ones you want. And once you select whatever you need, press OK, and this developer tab should appear on your ribbon. Okay, so it's a pretty easy fix. Now over here you can enable any VB scripts or any macros that you want, right, and do all the custom coding you need. It's pretty simple fix, right? Let me know if this video helped you guys. If it did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions or comments, leave it down below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.